Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we are reviewing the Skillsta app, also called Skillsta Social Skills Trainer, and this one you'll want to watch before using. So what exactly is Skillsta? Skillsta is a self-improvement app designed to help you improve communication, social confidence, and leadership skills. The idea is simple. You spend around 10 minutes a day on short lessons that focus on things like speaking more confidently, understanding people better, and handling social situations. It's available on both iOS and Android and starts with a free trial that later turns into a paid subscription. At first glance, everything looks legit. The app has a clean design, clear terms, and a proper privacy policy. But once you look at real user feedback, some concerns come up. According to Scam Advisor, Skillsa has a low to average trust score. It's not labeled as a scam, but limited transparency and low activity raise some caution. On Trustpilot, things get more worrying. The app sits at around 1.7 stars, with many users reporting unexpected charges, trouble canceling the free trial, and poor customer support. Some users say they were charged even though they thought they were still just testing the app. There are also similar complaints listed on the BBB scam tracker. As for the content, reviews are mixed. Beginners say it can be helpful, but many users feel the lessons are very basic and not worth paying for. So, is Skillsta really worth it? Well, it's a real app and not a straight up scam, but the billing complaints and refund issues make it risky. If you try it, read the fine print carefully and cancel the trial early if you are unsure. And that's about it. If you found this helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe for more quick guides, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks.